Abbass was Imam Hussein's backbone. He would never leave him alone. His strongest qualities was loyalty. He was humble yet belonged in royalty. Past the lake and refused to drink water, as he remembered Sakina, Hussein's daughter. His strength was beyond impeccable, but his love for his family deemed to be impossible. Fadl al-Abbass, who lost his life to deliver water. Fadl al-Abbass, who lost his life to deliver water. His life was down to be shorter, gripped on the bag with one hand while bleeding on the other that was cut, blood pouring and hurting from the gut. That's not all. He didn't give up, held tight with his teeth, people screaming and shouting underneath. Straight arrow to his eye, but yet he was still not ready to die. The bag of water kept him going through pain that he was not showing, until the arrow put a hole through the bag. He lost hope and dropped with the flag.